Let's make the peanut dipping sauce for cuốn, Vietnamese spring roll, salad roll, summer rolls. First, on high heat, add oil to pan. Once it's hot, go ahead and add in your minced garlic, followed by giving it a stir until it's fragrant. Then you're gonna add equal parts of hoisin sauce and some creamy peanut butter. Add some water for the consistency you want. If you want, you can add coconut soda, cocorico, coconut milk, chicken broth, pork broth, to even shrimp broth. Just stir. Combine well. Once you're finished, go ahead and place it in a little bowl, let it cool down, and it's ready to serve. There you have your sauce. You can also drizzle some hoisin, sriracha, sambal, and crushed peanuts. And we're done. To roll your spring roll, you're gonna place your rice paper in warm water, shake off the excess, lay it flat on your working surface. Do not worry about the rice paper being too hard, it's gonna soften as you go. I'm gonna place my veggies and herbs on the first roll and gonna stack them along with the rice noodles. For the second roll, I'm gonna place my thinly sliced pork belly. And for the third roll, I'm gonna put my shrimp. Next, take the end of the rice paper and fold it over. My chives in. And you have your spring rolls. We'll roll this again in a bit. Dip in the sauce. There's the hoisin, sriracha, peanut sauce. Oh, this sauce is so good. It's creamy from the peanut butter. Hoisin is sweet, it's savory. Anything cuốn is good. As I mentioned earlier, you can use the broth of your shrimp, pork broth, chicken broth, coconut milk, coconut cream, to even coconut soda. At the restaurant here at spring roll, summer roll, salad roll, Vietnamese cuốn, you got all shrimp showing at the end here. Let's roll another one. To roll this, you want to dip this in warm water. Just carefully coat everything, dip it in there. Shake off the excess water. Place it onto your working surface. Piece of lettuce. Place in my vermicelli, my pork belly. And then the second row, I put the pork belly. I'm gonna lay my shrimps flat down so it can show. You take the end right here and you start tucking. Okay, start tucking in. Fold in the right corner and fold in the left corner. Roll it up, and you can put in your chives and just tuck and roll. Cuốn, Vietnamese spring roll, summer roll, spring roll. Yeah. Lay it flat here. You want to work quick so it doesn't dry out. My first layer, I'm just gonna build a layer. I have lettuce, and I'm putting the vermicelli rice noodles, followed by some mint, and then putting the pork belly on the second roll. Okay, and then the third roll, I'm gonna lay the shrimp flat down, or the red part of it to show through the spring roll. To lay it, and we're just gonna tuck like that and roll up like this. Fold in the left and the right side, tuck it in, kind of like you're rolling a burrito or egg roll, and you're gonna roll it straight through. And towards the end, you can add a chive if you want, and you're done. I've seen everybody put crazy stuff in the spring roll rice wrappers. You pretty much put anything in there. It is a great way to get the kids to eat, and it's a great way to get rid of leftover veggies that are gonna go bad, or meats that you can't eat from maybe like you made soup or something and you can't finish it. It's a great way to just wrap it in a spring roll. It makes it fun, appetizer for guests. Really well balanced too. Yeah, I've seen people put like rotisserie chicken in here. Like it was like a trend. Like people put like ramen noodles in here, or like those hot samyang noodles. Other things I like to put in my spring roll is the Vietnamese pork ham jalua or julienne cucumbers for a crunch. Vermicelli rice noodles. Stack that, and then I'm gonna put my pork belly in the second row, and I'm lay the shrimp flat so they can show. Presentation is key, right? Take the bottom of it, roll on up like this, tuck in that pork belly, kind of pull and pinch it in. Flap in the right side, the left side. Go. Chives, and then just keep tucking and rolling so it can be nice and tight. Right. Ta-da! Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. I do Asian recipes. I'm located in SoCal, so I food blog around the Orange County area, Los Angeles, and sometimes San Diego.
Walking around